Hello everyone. Today I will present introduction to computer network. The topic will be as follows. Number 1, overview of the internet. Number 2, protocol layering. Number 3, internet history. Number 4, standard and administration. This chapter introduces the fundamentals of the Internet. It explains length, width, and shows that the Internet is formed by interconnecting these networks. It also presents the concept of protocol layering and describes the TCP or IP protocol suite and the role of each layer. Its addition is provide a brief history of the Internet and introduce the organizations responsible for Internet administration, including how standards and define and maintain it. Overview of the Internet. We start our journey by first defining a network. We then show how we can connect networks to create small Internet networks. Finally, we show the structure of the Internet and often get to study the Internet in the next 10 chapters. Networks. A network is the interconnection for multiple devices that are capable of communicating with one another. These devices can be hosts such as computers, laptops, or mobile phones, or connecting devices such as router, switch, and modem that forwards or transform data. Protocol layering. A protocol is a set of rules that governs how the sender, receiver, and or intermediate device communicated to ensure proper data transmission. When communication become express protocols and organized into multiple layers with a layer handling and specific function. This structure is known as protocol layering. TCP or IP protocol suite. TCP or IP is a hierarchical protocol suite used on the Internet, whereas protocol layer provides service to the layer above it. It was originally defined with 4 layers, but is now commonly used as a 5-layer model. TCP or IP forms the essential foundation of the communication across the Internet today. The OSI model. The OSI model is a standard developed by ISO to define a structured framework for network communication introduced in the late 1970s. It serves as a reference model for how different network systems should communicate. Although it provides a clear structure, the OSI model did not become as widely adopted as TCP or IP. Internet history. Now, that we have given an overview of the Internet and its protocol. Let us give a brief history of the Internet. This brief history makes it clear now the Internet has evolved from a private network to a global one in less than 40 years. Early history. Before 1960, there were communication networks such as telegraph and telephone systems, which uses constant communication and requires connection to be established before exchanging messages. Later, the concept of packet switches network emerged, leading to the creation of ARPANET, the first network of its kind. Internet. In 1972, Windsurf and Bob Kahn launched the Internet project to enable different types of networks to communicate with each other. They needed to solve several issues such as varying packet size, different interface, different data transmission rate, and differing reliability requirements amongst networks. Summary. Um, a network is a group of devices connected by communicated links. Today, Internet is formed from many wide area and local area networks interconnected through various connecting devices and switching stations. Most users access the Internet through Internet service providers, which include backbones, ISPs, regional ISP, and local ISP. A protocol is a law used to control communication between devices. Protocol specification must make its layer work opposite each other and must have the same elements on both sides. The TCP or IP protocol sets it divided into 5 layers: application, transport, networks, data links, and physical. The history of Internet networking started with ARPA in the mid 1960. The birth of the Internet can be associated with the work of Kurtz and Kahn and the invention of a gateway to connect networks. The Internet administration has evolved with the Internet. We discovered ISOT, IAB, IETF, IRTF, ICANN, and NIC. The last one, an Internet standard, is a thoroughly in tested specification, and Internet draft is a working document with not official short status, and a 6-month lifetime. A draft may be published as a required for comments. RFCs go through maturity level and are categorized according to their requirements level. Thank you for listening to presentations.